Hi, this course is for beginners who would like to learn the foundation of acrylic nail and dipping powder nail applications. During the course, I will guide you through product knowledge, tools and equipments, nail preparations, tip application, dipping powder applications, acrylic applications, hand filing procedure, electric file filing procedures, how to seal off the nails, how to take photo of your works, and how to safely remove the products from your client's nails. I will walk you through exactly what you need to do to create beautiful and professional looking nails for your clients. Let's get started. My name is Andy Hai Ding. Over the past 10 years, I have been a brand ambassador and educator for popular nail brands such as Easy Flow, IBD, China Glaze, Chisel Nail Art, and I am the head educator of NailSupplyDiscount.com, a wholesale company located in Arlington, Texas. I have trained over 1,600 students nationwide, and this very course is the exact curriculum that I have used to train my students from not knowing how to do nails to create beautiful artificial enhancements. And I hope you will achieve the same result after the completion of my course. Thank you.